Here comes the snail. There it is. Look, it's moving. Uh-oh. It knows we're watching. Look at that. It knows that we're watching. See? And it's like, maybe I shouldn't go up there. Here comes another dog. Where'd it go? Here it is.
Bye-bye, Rick. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, blue car.
Bye-bye, blue car. Oh, wait, now it's going again. It's getting brave.
Bye-bye, Rick. Bye-bye.
It's a silver.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, car.
That one's silver, silly.
Bye-bye, silver.
There you go. Here comes Sebastian. Look, it's climbing on top of the porch. You see? Look, here it comes. Look at this. There it goes. There it goes. Dude, you're moving me around. Some what?
Okay.
What?
Picky walk.
Mommy, I don't see frogs. I see snail.
Huh?
Are there? Sebastian, this is a really big snail. Look at it go. Look at it go. Sebastian.
Crush it.
Snail. What?
The moon.
The moon. You see the moon?
Crescent.
It looks like a crescent. That's right.
Where's the moon?
Where's the moon? You hear it? I hear it too.
Yes,